my country people, now me be Ambassador Chief Imo Worldwide, in case you don't know me very well. Wait, make I come out my Google so that you go Google my face. Have you Googled it? Am I Googleable? Wow! Alright, I know you'll be wondering why Chief Imo appeared in this form. I'm Onyeshishi. I am not a within personality. I am from Oshishi, and that is why I want to tell us about Oshishi things. Now listen, let me tell you. Ike Best Global Kitchen Equipment. As I passed yesterday for Odumoshu Plaza, number A15 Odumoshu Plaza, opposite Fedam Plaza, or Lojo Drive, Alaba International Market. Hey, I see wonder. I can see one big shop where they write Ike Best Global Kitchen Equipment. Ebe! Industrial kitchen equipment for bakery, for bread, for eatery, for supermarket. Every kind of machine where they take open supermarket, laundry, hotel, kitchen, blah blah blah. They full inside that shop. I can't they say, who can be this person where they say, now he get this big shop, and now big goods now in the pack inside there. As I look inside, I can see one long container away from Alaba there. It's Vos, go. Sure, but where Vos today? Abi komo. Ele ni Vos ni oti kushi go. Container oti kushi. Ndema oti bako. Hey, oti offload. Ane offload. Msi heka ane bo awozu mano ko we Igbos has. No, it is not Igbos. It is called kitchen industrial equipment. Kitchen industrial equipment. When I can look up, I can see where they write Ike Best Global Kitchen Equipment Co. Limited. So okay, one day by that, so better and I walk with one up your tenant that with Kangana to push in me here. Ebe! For those of you who want to open supermarket, for those of you who are into eatery, for those of you who are into hotels, laundry, bakery, fast food, slow food, family food, wedding food, and etc. and etc. Now for Ike Best shop, you go get trusted quality industrial kitchen, bakery, fast food, hotel equipment. What do you know go fit see there? As far as all these things I mentioned is concerned, now there you go see the top qualities. They will give you gari and tea. Not be the one where you go buy tomorrow, you go carry a material and a salmon, now the tea and a cup plug and I want to as no. For this place, even the one where I buy there, where they take wash clothes for laundry. As I buy it, I put my cloth. Yes, I got no. It's wait on there for my mama clothes for day. Now there I put them. Between me, before you know it, the dirty don't come out. I can't come out and put them inside the other place where they take dryer. The thing come to put them before you know it. Yeah, there is another one where they take iron cloth. Hey, now there I see American Wonder. As I put them there, chiripo. Damn, Aquama Batia, you is a guzero. My people, if you want better quality industrial kitchen equipment, now for this shop you will go. See their number here. If you call on any of this number, then you follow them on Instagram on this handle. This is their Instagram handles. Browse into their browsing browser. Now there you go, can see all the pictures of everything you want. All this one, show you. This one, you see this picture now. This one now for London. This they also have sugarcane extractor. This one where you see now. Now to extract sweet and water from sugarcane. Oshishi sugarcane. Gitige ga ya kwopia ya. Ya kwa ya no kwa ya pana ga mini again. When come here ga take your teeth give by the tap. Give reze ga na. No, there is machine where go extract the water from that stick of sugarcane. About like a mini and a cup. Holy water, go they drink them. No kinds of machine where you no go see there. They have the one where they take peel yam. Maybe sometimes you no get strength to start peeling yam. Piam you don't wash your yam. Carry yam nowhere like that. Don't get any machine. And here peel already potato, plantain, whatever that is peelable inside your kitchen. That machine will help you peel. Not be only that one. They get the one where they take peel fowl body. You don't cut your fowl head come out. You know if it's where they have to be any engine where Ike Best to bata into Nigeria. the machine go use in hand peel am one for you. The one where them they take measure your food before you put quantity of salt or whatever inside your soup. There is a scaling machine where they say if you put the salt, you know the quality of salt where you put inside your soup. What you know there? Anything where you no get there. No me say Oyibo people never do am. The only shop where you go get quality trusted industrial materials. Ike Best Global. Ike Best Global. Ike Best Global Kitchen Equipment. Again, welcome. You be dirty, you be popo. After you, no other shop. Call us on this number if you want to contact them. See their numbers. This is their Instagram handle. This is their Facebook handle. Once you do that, then you Google into that shop. Kaweranyage, Baro Mwegi Christmas. Aika, Ewoche. Ebe!
I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. Oh, I find it so hard being addicted to your love. I find it so hard being addicted to your touch. I find it so hard knowing that you are just my drug. And I find it so hard knowing you treated me like a mark. We ain't gotta talk about it, I already know. 'Cause every time we talk about it, you stare at the floor.